Here, birdies.
Oh, look.
Come on, birdie.
Here you go, bird.
Come on.
I want to this though.
All right, now if they fly at you, don't get scared.
Where is?
Just hold it up.
Come on.
They'll fly to it. Look, here they come. Here they come.
Here you go, bird. Here you go, birdie.
Don't be scared. They're not going to hurt you. They're just birds.
Oh.
See, if you flinch like that, they're going to fly back in there. Okay, I'll do it. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie.
I want.
Come on, birdie. Come on.
You can't eat mine. Is this bird food?
It is bird food. They love it.
Bird.
Eli's coaxing some out.
Oh.
Come on.
Babe.
He's about to fly. Y'all don't flinch. Come on, birdies. Come on. Here they come. Here they come.
I got it.
You got it? There you go, see?
Who likes that?
They won't hurt you, baby.
Let's see if you land on my hand.